This is watch area. This side is all all Nipa hut. Down there is all umbrella. Now here is a Nipa hut. Nipa hut, and then they have another swimming pool. Yeah. Langoy ka?
Langoy.
Ha? Look. This is what inside of the Grotto Resorts. They have more swimming pool there. Every faction they have for example, Nipa hut, all Nipa hut and have one swimming pool, and then umbrella they have another faction umbrella, they have another swimming pool also. This gazebo. They have a video key here. If you want to sing, you sing there. I don't know what cost. Still umbrella.
Go! Okay, number 3. Go!
They learn how to swim.
Up daw?
Go!
Up na? Ayok to! Wait, pwede? Pwede ba lang mag-slide? Pwede ba mag-slide? Sandali lang.
Okay. Meeting nila kayo.
Ayok pa! Mag-slide?
Inside the Grotto, buy something, so they have 7-Eleven outside, and then they're also inside. Okay, kuya, doon na lang sa may restaurant. Restaurant. This is the hotel restaurant if you want to eat. There is the contest. Hello, babe.
Meron kayong 30% discount. So, 1,540. Pag-entrance po kayo ng package swimming nun, 275 per head. Bali, swimming kayo ng 2 days. So, tapos no, continuous ang check-in nyo, kahit na hindi na kayo magbayad ng swimming.
Ganon.
Okay na po yun, basta yung sa kwarto nyo lang mabayaran nyo.
Okay ba? Oo. Laki. It's 7-Eleven. Somebody here to Obidi has like inside bed. Di red! Awa ko sa'yo! expensive compared to the other, 1,540 a day. They have 2 bedroom inside and TV, and they have, I think they had cabinet, and then that is bundle, include the swimming. If you stay long time, if you stay long time, the swimming is free. If you stay a short time, for example, a day, a week, so every time you got swimming there, you pay 250.